My name is Brielle Hunt, and I am a junior at Bloomsburg University. I am working with Dr. Van Riethoven on the analyses of ore samples from the Black Hills. Overall, a set of 30 samples were studied, but for the sake of time, I am only going to be talking about a set of 20 samples from Tintin, which is a pegmatite type deposit, and Bear Lodge, which is a carbonate type deposit. Tintin is a ghost town near the border of South Dakota, and Bear Lodge is a mountain near Sundance, Wyoming. 15 of the samples are from Bear Lodge and 5 are from Tintin. These samples were studied using powder X-ray diffraction, portable X-ray fluorescence, cathodoluminescence, and optical analyses. In order to study these samples using optical petrography and cathodoluminescence, I had to cut the sample into a small rectangle called a billet, which would be sent away, usually to another company, to be sliced horizontally to about 30 microns thick. They would be epoxied to a glass slide and sent back to us for optical analyses and cathodoluminescence. With the extra samples produced from the cutting process, I had to grind them down to a 64 micron powder, which would be used in PXRF and PXRD analyses. So the PXRF, or the portable X-ray fluorescence, portable X-ray fluorescence, is used to determine the elemental composition of a sample, while powder X-ray diffraction is used to determine a mineral makeup of a sample. The evidence of these analyses shows that neodymium and cerium were common in the Bear Lodge samples, but were not common in the Tintin samples. As a quick side note here, the Tintin samples are not actually ore samples, but they're mine tailings. Usually samples from Tintin have high amounts of lithium and tantalum, but in this particular set of samples, they were not present. Anyway, the Bear Lodge samples are more suitable for mining, given their high neodymium content and cerium content.